Good morning, students. Today I am going to introduce you one of the lessons taken from Vistas, that is Journey to the End of the Earth, written by an Indian author Tisani Doshi, who has really tried to impart the knowledge of that very part of the earth which is quite uninterrupted as well as spread over such a vast region that is unconquerable, and how it was explored and what were the problems and what are the beauties of this very place that she wants to narrate, how she reached over there, that story is also narrated there. But before that, there are so many unknown terms, geographical terms that must be known to the people as well as the students who are great ambitious of learning this very chapter. For that reason, I must tell you some of the things that are quite essential. Before human evolution, Antarctica was part of a huge tropical land mass called the Gondwana land, which flourished 500 million years ago. Geological, geographical, and biological changes occurred, and Antarctica separated and moved away, evolving into what it is today. A visit to Antarctica gave Kisani Doshi a deeper understanding of the Earth's history, ecology, and environment. To understand this very lesson, one must have a very good knowledge of the longitude as well as the latitudes that divide the earth into different time zones, and the grid that are made in order to know all about it. Here I would like to tell you what is Russian research vessel, that is academic Sogalsky. It was a Russian research vessel which was leading towards Antarctica, the coldest, driest, windiest continent in the world. It became a part of Geoff Green's students on ice program. It was really a very hard work to start that very journey. They had been traveling over 100 hours in combination of a car, an aeroplane, and a ship. And here her first emotion when she reached on the Antarctica's expansive white landscape, which was uninterrupted blue horizon, was relief. Really, it could be realized with the work done by her. This is the Antarctica's vast, expansive white landscape which has spread over such a large area. There are no interruptions. There is blue horizon that indicates that how pure and serene this place is, which is quite unpolluted, and there is no barrier at all. Tisani Doshi's initial reaction was relief, as she had traveled for over 100 hours This was followed by wonder at Antarctica's wide landscape and the immensity, isolation, and profound wonder at how there could have been time when India and Antarctica were a part of the same landmass. She was really surprised to know all about it. These are the animals that are found in this Antarctica region, that are southern elephant seals, toothed whales, leopard seals, and the weddelled seals that really are rare species found in these regions. Moreover, there are emperor penguins, Ade- Adelie penguins, chinstrap penguins, blue whales. These are the animals and birds that are rarely available. Moreover, there are some flora of Antarctica. They are simple plants like algae, mosses, liverworts, lichens, and microscopic fungi. These can survive and grow in this very coldest region of the world. I must tell you what is phytoplankton because there are some terms that I told you that are essential to be known. A varied group of tiny free floating plants. It is a varied group of tiny free floating plants. In a spring and early summer, their numbers increase so fast that they produce blooms like a thin pea soup which can cover thousands of square kilometers of the ocean. Really, it is spread over a vast area. Larger phytoplanktons like diatoms, they are available there. Diatoms are the preferred food of krill, which are in turn eaten by many other animals in this food web. And here you can see this is the food web. These are there are some big animals and the small ones that just come under the food web. Part of history, that is Gondwana Island. And what is that? 650 million years ago, a giant multi-part southern supercontinent, Gondwana, existed. And this Gondwana land was a supercontinent in the south about 650 million years ago. 650 million years ago, about 500 million years ago, there were several changes. Dinosaurs were wiped out, mammals began to develop, Gondwana was forced to break up into smaller land masses, India drove away and jammed against Asia. South America broke and drifted to join North America. It opened up the Drake Passage to create a cold current around the South Pole. It left the Antarctica cold, isolated, and barren. It is the coldest continent, having 90% of the Earth's total ice. Here, that you can say landmass started to disperse about 165 million years ago, and that just blew it into Africa, South Africa, and Antarctica. And there you can see the parts of India that were separated. It is the whole globe that you can see. But there were extinction of dinosaurs. The dinosaurs were wiped out and the mammals got underway. So these were the animals that really existed. separation of into countries, landmass was forced to separate into countries, shaping the globe as we know it today. So these are the things that we learned, and moreover, we have to also learn about some other terms. They are Cordilleran folds. What is Cordilleran folds? This is these are the folds formed by system or group of parallel mountain ranges together with the intervening plateaus and other features. So here in this video I have told you something about the beginning of the lesson that are essential to be learned, and I will tell you something more with the other ideas of this variation that it contains. Thank you. Thank you.